First, you want to go to the GitHub repository and click on the Google Chrome extension link. Then you want to install SearchBlox. Once you have that installed, you can check if it's working properly by going to Roblox and then going on a random game, going to servers. You should see a search bar like this. Type in something and you'll be able to search for a username. Now you want to have Python installed, so you can run this command to check if you have it. If not, go to this link here and download the Python installer and then just follow the instructions. Now you want to go back to the GitHub page and download the zip file. Once you have that, you want to extract the zip file. Then go inside of it until you see all of the folder contents. Once you're there, right click in the file explorer and open the terminal there. And now you can install the packages. Alright, now you want to run pip install -r requirements.txt, and that's going to install all the libraries that you need to run the program. Now you want to go back to Chrome and type in Chrome://version, and that's going to give you this page. And over here you want to take a look at the first number, which is 112. So we have Chrome version 112. So we're going to use that to find the driver that we need for the program. Now you want to go to the site chromium.org for the downloads. You can find on the GitHub page. You want to find your Chrome version. This is 112. Then you want to install the zip file for it, or download it. And then once you have that, you want to open it in the folder. And once you find it, you're going to want to extract it and then copy Chrome driver into the folder with all the files. Just want to paste it in there, and you are almost ready to run the program. Now in the root folder of the project, you want to open settings.json in any text editor that you want. I'm using Notepad for this one. Right, so the first one is user, and then now you want to get the Roblox username of the person you're trying to find. So over here I'll just go to Roblox and I'll search for the user profile that I'm trying to find. So this is just an alt account that I have. So I'll go to the profile, and over here with the username, so I'll just copy that, paste in there. And profile link is simply that link over there, so I'll also paste it in there. Delay is just the delay in seconds between each check. Default is 1, so I'll just leave like that. Over here is the Chrome user data folder, so we'll go to Chrome://version, or profile path. Just copy that path over there, leave out the last part of it. You want to paste it in there. Right, and then for all the backslashes, you want to just add another backslash, because that's their escape characters. And for profile, you want to copy that end part that I told you to remove, paste in there. Now over here we have all the links, and these are all the games that the program is going to check for the user. So if you know the player plays a certain amount of games, you can put those links in there. So I know that my alt account really likes Jailbreak, so I'll just copy the link there, and then I'll just add it into the list anywhere, and in the end, middle, wherever, it doesn't matter. I'll put in quotes, paste the link there, and now we have it. And I'll just go ahead and save the file there, And that's it. I'm now ready to run the program. Before you start the program, you want to close all your Chrome tabs so that the program will work properly. Then you want to go in the terminal and run python main.py. The program will start running. First, it's going to check the profile and wait until the user is playing an actual game. So I'll show the output over here. Just keep saying offline, offline, offline. We'll keep doing that until we go online and we start playing a game. So over here, here's the alt account POV. It's gonna join a game. We'll just wait for that to register on the other side. Okay, so now it's playing a game. Now it's gonna check all the game links that we added in the list. So I'll keep going through all the links. And since jailbreak is last, it's gonna take a while. So I'll speed this part up. Alright, so now it's gonna check jailbreak. And it says that it's found. So it's gonna print the link. We're gonna go into the link. Then we're gonna go to servers and use the Chrome extension. And then search for the user. And over here we see the server. Now we can join the alt account. So now I'll just wait for Roblox to load. Once it's done that, we're in the server. And I'll just play. Alright, now here we can see right there's the player. That is how the program works. Over here, here's the GitHub repository. The link is down below. That's all for now. If you have any questions, comment below. The link's in the description.